विद्यार्थी मित्रों, आता आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट बघणार आहोत. चॅप्टर नंबर 1. चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह from each of the following questions. First example. To draw graph of 4x plus 5y equals to 19. Find y when x is equals to 1. Options are A is 4, B is 3, C is 2, D is -3. तर या टाइपच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला x ची व्हॅल्यू दिली आहे. हीच x ची व्हॅल्यू 4x plus 5y equals to 19 मध्ये टाकणार आपण. And then we will get the value of the y. That is, put x is equals to 1. In equation 4x plus 5y is equals to 19. Therefore 4 into 1 plus 5 into y is equals to 19. 4 into 1 4 plus 5y is equals to 19. Therefore 5y is equals to 19 minus 4. Therefore 5y is equals to 15. And that's why y is equals to 15 upon 5. Therefore y is equals to 3. मग कुठला ऑप्शन बरोबर आहे? तर आपण त्याच्यात बघणार. That is option B is a correct one. B is 3, which is correct. Second, for simultaneous equation in variable x and y, dx is equals to 49, dy is equals to -63, and d is equals to 7. Then what is x? A is 7, b is -7, c is 1 upon 7, and d is -1 upon 7. Now we want to find the value of x. आपल्याला x ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. म्हणून dx upon d घेणार आपण इथे. That is a dx upon d. 49 upon 7 भाग देणार त्याला 7 1 7 7 7 49. Therefore x is equals to 7. Therefore option A is correct one. Third question. Find the value of the determinant 5 3 -7 -4. The answer is A is -1, B is -41, C is +41, and D is a +1. Therefore first to 5 3 7 -4. 5 and 4 चा multiplication minus n करणार. 7 into -7, 3 into -7, that is -20 and +21. Then you will get 1. Therefore the value of the determinant is 1. And hence option D is the correct one. Next, to solve, x plus y is equals to 3 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0 by determinant method. Find D. A is 5, B is 1, C is -5, and D is -1. Therefore x plus y is equals to 3 and 3x minus 2y is equals to +4. Standard form मध्ये लिहिणार ते इक्वेशन आपण. आधी x चा टर्म नंतर y नंतर कॉन्स्टंट. Therefore D is equals to A1 B1 A2 B2 and values of a1, b1 are 1, 1, a2, b2 is a 3 and minus 2, that is 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into 3, that is minus 2 minus 3, therefore d is equals to minus 5. d ची किंमत वजा 5 आहे, therefore option C is the correct one. Question number 5. Ax plus by is equals to C and mx plus ny is equals to d, and an is not equals to bm, then these simultaneous equation have first only one common solution, b no solution, c infinite number of solutions, and d only two solutions. Now in this case, we write the determinant ax plus by is equals to c, mx plus ny is equals to d, and determinant d is ab, mn. Now their multiplication an minus bm, but they are not equal. D is not equals to 0 since am and mb they are not equal, and hence option A is the correct one. That is only one solution. Complete the following table to draw the graph of 2x minus 6y is equals to 3. Now the table या प्रकारे असणार आहे. या टाइपचा ग्राफ आपण ग्राफ काढण्यासाठी केलेला आहे इयत्ता 9वी मध्ये. x and y घेणार तिथे. ग्राफ काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला 3 व्हॅल्यूज लागत असतात जनरली. Therefore first x is minus 5, then what is y? Y is 0, then what is x? Now put x is equals to minus 5 in given equation. That is a 2x minus 6y is equals to 3. अतिशय सोपा प्रश्न आहे. x is equals to minus 5 टाकणार. That is a 2 into minus 5 minus 6y is equals to 3. That is minus 10 minus 6y is equals to 3. Therefore minus 6y is equals to 3 plus 10. Therefore minus 6y. First of all, that is y is equals to 13 upon minus 6 or minus 13 upon 6. पुढची व्हॅल्यू देखील सोपी आहे. 2x minus 6y is equals to 3. For this, we put y is equals to 0. That's a 2x, 6. Put the value of y 0. 2x minus 6 into 0 is equals to 3. Therefore, 2x is equals to 3. Therefore, x is equals to 3 by 2. These are the values. Now next, हा प्रॉब्लेम सेट फर्स्ट पार्ट असणार आहे, सेकंड पार्ट मी नंतर टाकणार आहे कारण की हाच एकदम मोठा होतो. 42 ते 43 मिनिटांचा प्रॉब्लेम सेट आहे. ऍड सॉल्व ईच अँड एव्हरी एक्झाम्पल्स. म्हणजे तुम्हाला कसली आवश्यकता लागणार नाही विद्यार्थी मित्र. इफ यू फॉलो दिस यू विल गेट द करेक्ट आन्सर. फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ each of the following. Determinant. First 4 3 first row, second row 2 7, 4 into 7 minus 3 into 2. That is a 28 minus 6 is equals to 22. Second, 5 minus 2 minus 3 1. 5 into 1 minus 2 minus 3. And that is equals to 5 minus 6, which is minus 1. Third, 3 minus 1 1 4. 3 into 4 minus 1 in bracket minus 1 into 1, that is a 12 plus 1 is equals to 13. Now next, solve the following equation by Cramer's method. Therefore, the first is 6x minus 3y is equals to minus 10. 3x plus 5y is minus 8 is equals to 0. Equation, write the equation in the standard form मध्ये लिहायचं ते. पहिल्यांदा x नंतर y equals to sign constant. म्हणून ते 6x minus 3y minus 10. 3x plus y equals to 8. a1 is 6, b1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 10, and a2 is 3, b2 is 5, c2 is 8. Therefore, d is a1, b1, a2, b2. The values are, that is a 6 minus 3, 3, 5, 6 into 5 minus 3 into 3. That is 5 into 6, 30 plus 9, which is 39. Therefore, the value of d is 39. Now next dx, that is c1, b1, c2, b2. The values are, the constants are here, minus 10, 3, minus 3, 8 and 5. Therefore, minus 10 into 5, minus in bracket minus 3 into 8. That is minus 50 plus 24. And that is equals to minus 26. Therefore, d suffix x is equals to minus 26. Now next value, d suffix y, a1, c1, a2, c2. Therefore, 6 minus 10 and 3, 8. That is 6 into 4, 48. Minus in bracket, minus 10 into 3. Therefore, 48 plus 30, that is equals to 78. Therefore, d suffix y is equals to 78. By Cramer's method, rule or method, x is equals to d suffix d upon d and y is equals to d suffix y upon d. Therefore minus 26 upon 39, that is minus 2 upon 3. And y is equals to dy upon t, that is a 78 upon 39. 13 division there that is not 39 directly. Therefore y is equals to 2. X is equals to minus 2 by 3 and y is equals to 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now next, question number 2. 4m minus 2n, that is equals to minus 4, and 4m plus 3n is equals to 16. 4m minus 2n is equals to minus 4. Here a1 is 4, b1 is minus 2, c1 is minus 4. 4m plus 3n is equals to 16. a1 is 4, b1 is 3, and c1 is 16. Therefore, d is equals to a1, b1, a2, b2. That is 4 minus 2, 4, 3. That is 4 into 3 minus 2 into 4. And that is equals to 12 plus 8. Therefore, d is equals to 20. Next, d suffix x is equals to c1, b1, c2, b2. That is minus 4 minus 2, 16, 3. That is a minus 4 into 3. Minus in bracket minus 2 into 16. That is a minus 12 plus 32. Therefore, d suffix x is equals to 20. Now, d suffix y, a1, c1, a2, c2. Substitute the values 4 minus 4, 4 and 16. That is 4 into 16 minus in bracket minus 4 into 4. That is 64 plus 16. That is equals to 80. Therefore, d suffix y is equals to 80. By Cramer's rule, x is equals to d suffix d upon d, and that is a 20 upon 20. Therefore, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to d suffix y upon d, and that is 80 upon 20. That is 4. Therefore, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 4. Is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now next, number 2, 3x minus 2y is equals to 5 by 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 3y is equals to minus 4 by 3. Therefore, 3x minus 2y is equals to 5 by 2. Now multiply this equation by 2, that is it, on both sides. That is a 2 in bracket 3x minus 2y is equals to 2 into 5 by 2. That is 6x minus 4y is equals to 5. This is equation number 1. And second, that is 1 by 3x plus 3y is equals to minus 4 by 3. Multiplied on both sides by 3. Therefore, 3 in bracket 1 by 3x plus 3y is equals to 3 into 4 by minus 4 by 3, and that is x plus 9y is equals to minus 4. Equation number 2. Therefore, 6x minus 4y is 5. This is equation number 1. Now solve this. That is 6x minus 4y is equals to 5. Here a1 is 6, b1 is minus 4, c1 is 5. X plus 9y is equals to minus 4. Therefore, a2 is 1, b2 is 9, c2 is minus 4. Therefore, d is 6 minus 4, 1, 9. That is 6 into 9 minus, in bracket minus 4 into 1. That is 54 plus 4, that is 58. D suffix D is equals to 58. D suffix X is equals to, that is C1 B1 and C2 B2, that is 5 minus 4. Take the constant there. आपण constant घेत असतो तिथे -4 आणि 9 as it is, that is multiplication 5 into 9 minus -4 into -4, that is plus, and overall it is minus, that is 45 minus 16, that is 29. Therefore D suffix X is equals to 29, and find D suffix Y, that is A1 C1 A2 C2, that is 6 5 1 minus 4, 6 into -4, that is minus 1 into 1, minus 5 into 1, that is minus 24 minus 5 minus 29. X is equals to D suffix X upon D. Therefore 29 upon 58, that is equals to 1 upon 2. Y is equals to D suffix Y upon D minus 29 upon 58, that is minus 1 upon 2. Therefore X is equals to 1 upon 2, Y is equals to minus 1 upon 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now next, example number 2, 4m minus 2n is equals to minus 4 and 4n plus 3n is equals to 16. I think that this example is repeated. Minus 2n is equals to minus 4. Here a1 is 4, b1 is minus 2, c1 is minus 4. 4n plus 3n is equals to 16. a2 is 4, b2 is 3, c2 is 16. D is equals to 4 minus 2, 4, 3. This example is repeated. I had written this 2 times. Therefore D is 20. Next, D suffix X. The values are minus 4, minus 2, 16, 3. Therefore, minus 12 plus 32, 20, dy, a1, c1, a2, c2, that is 4 into 16, minus in bracket minus 4 into 4, 64 plus 16, that is 80, therefore D suffix Y is 80. But by the Cramer's rule, X is equals to D suffix X upon D, that is a 20 upon 20, X is 1, Y is equals to D suffix Y upon D, that is 80 upon 20, that is 4. Therefore X is equals to 1 and Y is equals to 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Number 4, 7x plus 3y is equals to 15. 12y minus 5x is equals to 39. 7x plus 3y is equals to 15 and minus 5x plus 12y is equals to 39. Here A1 is 7, B1 is 3, C1 is 15, A2 is minus 5, B2 is 12 and C2 is 39. And that's why. And D again here. That is A1, B1, A2, B2, 7, 3, minus 5, 12. That is 7 into 12, minus 3 into minus 5. That is 84 plus 15. Therefore, D is equals to 99. Next, D suffix x is equals to C1, B1, C2, B2. Substitute the values. That is 15, 3, 39, 12. That is 15 into 12 minus 3 into 39. That's why 180 minus 117, that is 63. Therefore, D suffix x is equals to 63. D suffix y is equals to A1, C1, A2, C2. That is 7, 15 minus 5, 39. 7 into 39 minus in bracket 15 into minus 5. And that's why 273 plus 75, 348. Therefore, D suffix y is equals to 348. Now here, by Cramer's rule, x is equals to D suffix x upon D, that is 63 upon 99. If you divide by the 9, then you will get 7 upon 11 and y is equals to 348 upon 99, that is 116 upon 33. Therefore, x is equals to 7 upon 11 and y is equals to 116 upon 33 is the solution of given differential equation. Given simultaneous equation, because it is effect from the 12th standard differential equation. Now x plus y minus 8 upon 2, x plus 2y minus 40 upon 3, 3x minus y upon 4. Now equate first and second and third. You will get the two equations, simultaneous equation. Therefore, we need two pairs of simultaneous equation, that is x plus y minus 8 upon 2 and 3x minus y upon 4. Make cross multiplication. सगळ्यात सोपं, that is a 4 in bracket x plus y minus 8 is equals to 2 in bracket 3x minus y. 4x plus 4y minus 32 and the 2 in 3x minus y multiplied करणार आपण त्याला 6x minus 2y. Therefore, 4x minus 6x and plus 4y plus 2y equals to 32. Therefore, minus 2x plus 6y is equals to 32. Divide on both sides by 2. Minus x plus 3y is equals to 16. This is equation number 1. Now, equate the second and third. That is x plus 2y minus 40 upon 3 and 3x minus y upon 4. Make the cross multiplication. That is 4 in bracket x plus 2y minus 14, 3 in bracket 3x minus y. Normal cross multiplication करायचं तिथे. आता 4 आणि आतल्या सगळ्या टर्म्सला गुणणार आणि 3 आणि उजव्या बाजूच्या सगळ्या टर्म्सला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. 4x plus 8y minus 56 and 9x minus 3y. Therefore 4x minus 9x एका बाजूला x च्या टर्म्स, y च्या टर्म्स आणि एका बाजूला कॉन्स्टंट. 4x minus 9x minus 5x, 8y plus 3y, 11y, and 56 is constant. This is number 2. From equation 1, a1 is minus 1, b1 is 3, c1 is 16, and from equation 2, a2 is minus 5, b2 is 11, c2 is 56. Therefore d is equals to a1 b1, a2 b2, and that's 1. Minus 1 3, minus 5 11. That is minus 1 into 11, minus in bracket minus 5 into 3. That is minus 11 plus 15, and that's why d is equals to 4. Next, d suffix x is equals to c1 b1 c2 b2, and that is equals to 16 3 56 11 multiply 11 into 16 minus 3 into 56. Then you will get 176 minus 168, that is equals to 8. Therefore, d suffix y is equals to a1 c1 a2 c2. Substitute the values. That is minus 116 minus 556 multiply. Minus 1 into 56. Cross करना तो अपन. Minus 16 into minus 5. Therefore minus 56 and minus will become plus 80. That is 24. Therefore d suffix y is equals to 24. Next, by the Cramer's rule, x is equals to d suffix x upon d. That is 8 upon 4, that is 2, and y is equals to d suffix y upon d. That is 24 upon 4, that is 6. X is equals to 2 and y is equals to 6 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now next, question number 6. Now solve the following simultaneous equations. 1, 2 upon x plus 2 upon 3y is equals to 1 upon 6. 3 upon x plus 2 upon y is equals to 0. That is a 2 upon x plus 2 upon 3y is equals to 1 upon 6. This is equation number 1, and 3 upon x plus 2 upon y is equals to 0. This is equation number 2. Substitute 1 upon x is equals to m and 1 upon y is equals to n. Then you will get 2m plus 2 by 3n is equals to 1 by 6. This is equation number 3. Next is 3m plus 2n is equals to 0. This is equation number 4. Therefore, multiply equation 3 by 6 and 4 by 2. त्या 3 ला 6 ने मल्टिप्लाय जर केलं तर आपल्याला 4n मिळणार आणि इक्वेशन 4 ला जर 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर तिथे देखील 4n मिळणार. And that's why we are making this. That is 6 in bracket 2n plus 2 upon 3n is equals to 6 into 1 by 6 and 2 in bracket 3m plus 2n is equals to 2. That's why 12n plus 4n is equals to 6 and 6m plus 4n is equals to 0. Equation number 5 and equation number 6. Therefore, equation 5 minus 6, 12n plus 4n is equals to 6 and 6m plus 4n is equals to 0. Subtraction, we change the sign. For subtraction करताना sign बदलतो. Therefore, it is a 6m is equals to 6. So 6m, that is replaced by it is 1. 6m is equals to 1. Therefore, m is equals to 1 upon 6. Put m is equals to 1 upon 6 in equation. Therefore, 6 in bracket 1 upon 6 plus 4n is equals to 0. 1 plus 4n is equals to 0. And that's why 4n is equals to minus 1. And therefore, n is equals to minus 1 by 4. Resubstitute values m and n. We get m is equals to 1 upon s, that is 1 upon 6, and n is equals to 1 upon y, that is minus 1 by 4. Therefore, x is equals to 6 and y is equals to minus 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. सगळ्यात मोठा एक्सरसाइज आहे प्रॉब्लेम सेट. या प्रकारे आपण फर्स्ट चॅप्टरचे पूर्ण रिव्हिजन करणार आहोत. तुम्हाला पूर्णपणे ते समजणार आहे. Now next example, question number 2, that is 7 upon 2x plus 1 plus 13 upon y plus 2 is equals to 27 and 13 upon 2x plus 1 plus 7 upon y plus 2 is equals to 33. This is alternate type, that is 7, 13, 13, 7. Therefore, 7 upon 2x plus 1 plus 13 upon y plus 2 is equals to 27. Equation number 1. 13 upon 2x plus 1, 7 upon y plus 2 is equals to 33. This is equation number 2. 7, put 7 upon 2x plus 1, or that is 1 upon 2x plus 1 is equals to n, and n is equals to 1 upon y plus 2. Therefore, 7n plus 13n is equals to 27. This is equation number 3. And 13n plus 7n is equals to 33. Now this is alternate type of the simultaneous equation. Now once you add it and subtract it, therefore 7n plus 13n is equals to 27 and 13n plus 7n is equals to 33. Add these two equations, then you will get 20n plus 20n is equals to 60. Divide on both sides by 20, then you will get m plus n is equals to 3. विस्ताने दोन्ही बाजूला भाग देणार आपण. This is equation number 5. By dividing on both sides by 20. Now next, their subtraction. That is equation 4 minus 3 that is 13n plus 7n is equals to 33. 7n plus 13n is equals to 27. Make their subtraction. Therefore 6m minus 6n minus 6 m minus n is equals to minus 1. I think that one mistake is there. That is m minus n is equals to minus n. Therefore m plus n is equals to 3 and m minus n is equals to therefore m is equals to 2. Put m is equals to 2 in equation 5. Therefore 2 plus n is equals to 3. Therefore n is equals to 1. But m is equals to 1 upon 2x plus 1, that is equals to 2. Make the reciprocal, that is 4x plus 2 is equals to 1. Cross multiplication करून करणार आपण ते. Therefore 4x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to minus 1 by 4. Also n is equals to 1 upon y plus 2, therefore y plus 2 is equals to 1. And y is equals to 1 minus 2, therefore y is equals to minus 1. आणि या प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्र आपण हा एवढा भाग इथपर्यंत कंप्लीट केलेलाच आहे. x is equals to simultaneous equation and in this